That fog last night, my goodness, glad that's over with. But now we're dealing with rain, little front coming through, and you can see south of the Akron area showers and yes, even a few rumbles of thunder. Can you believe that? Moving into Carroll County, more rain than anything. But here's our lightning tracker, and yes, there are still some strikes out there, generally along the county line here between Tuscarawas and Carroll counties. This is all moving east. These may be producing a little small hail as well. I have one report of that as these moved through Stark County. So don't be caught off guard if you're in our southern tier and you're seeing those showers and even hearing a little bit of thunder. This is all going to move out over the next hour or so. So the rain, the thunder, that's a short-term thing, and I don't expect any of that in the Cleveland area. And then colder air moving in overnight. You heard Brian and Nikki mentioning, yeah, a little lake effect tonight. We're going to see a few flakes out there, but the key word is few. Not everyone will see snow. In fact, the best chance we're seeing a little lake effect tonight is west of Cleveland. It's not often that we say that, and it's not often we're talking about thunderstorms in February. It's been kind of a weird El Nino winter so far, I know. Coming up, we're going to talk about a half and half weekend. First half winter, second half a little bit closer to spring, and we'll look ahead to next week and that potential for record highs. And you'd never expect that, right? Because it was so beautiful today. Look, a few hit or miss lake effect snow showers will be developing overnight. Something else that you probably wouldn't expect with the recent weather pattern. Better dynamics for snow tonight, actually in northwest Ohio, north central Ohio. But I do think in our coverage area, we could see at least a few snow showers. Future view really not picking up on that. But given the ingredients in place, I do think we see at least a few flakes. Where the snow develops minimal accumulation or impact. Obviously, the big weather story going into the weekend, the cold. Take a look at your wind chill here. These are forecast wind chill temperatures first thing tomorrow morning in the teens. And then by midday, they're still in the teens. 12 o'clock tomorrow, feeling like 15 in Cleveland. A lot colder than today for sure. And then tomorrow afternoon, as winds kind of drop back just a little bit, wind chills coming up into the 20s south of the lakeshore communities. Of course, the colder spots for tomorrow. I would say my pick day of the entire weekend is going to be Sunday, a high of 50. Now 50, there is no denying that feels a lot better than tomorrow's high of 28. However, it's going to be windy. So in the morning, it's still going to feel as if it's down in the teens, even some single-digit wind chills out there on Sunday morning. In the afternoon, it'll probably feel like it's closer to the upper 30s. Yes, better than Saturday, but I want to set realistic expectations. It's not going to feel like 50 on Sunday. Maybe if you're standing right in the sun, it's just going to be so windy out there. Wind is going to be a thing we're going to be dealing with here for several days. Now, Monday, not as windy. I think Monday, beautiful. It's actually my pick day of the entire 7-day, 57 and partly sunny. By Tuesday into Wednesday, it does get warmer, but it also turns more damp. We're going to see scattered showers and thunderstorms moving in Tuesday into Wednesday. Tuesday, by the way, best chance for setting some record high temperatures. The record in Cleveland is 66. We are going to be close. I could see us over the coming days based on new data raising that high potentially up to 67. We'll see. It all depends on the timing of the front. Front moves through late Wednesday, and that causes a big temperature crash. We are dropping into the 20s Wednesday night. Then we continue to stay cool Thursday into Friday before, yes, another warm up into next weekend. It's time